Okay, nice one for Caspi. Okay, Caspi set for the play. Pass to Colombia. Pass to Eman. Third ball for Root. Shot clock 14, Colombia. Nice ball fake. Shot clock 10 to shoot. Colombia by the half ng wala. Colombia. Yes sir, easy basket for Colombia. Nice ball over. Pangaliban ng half ng wala. Pass to Amor. Okay, Galisangan, ball fake. Galisangan. Nice block naman sa C. Okay, pass to Galisangan. That's sa C. Back to Amar. Umatake sa Manaksa. Yes sir, easy basket for Amar. Sessi, double team, Sessi, he got pass to Kaspi for 3. Yes sir, 3 more shot from Kaspi. Okay, 2 for 2. Okay, shot clock 10 to shoot, lead and screen. Colombia by may hawak ng bola, nice crossover, ball fake step back for 3. Yes sir, 3-point shot for Colombia. Colombia, nice screen. Shot clock 10 to shoot. Colombia pa rin, nagmamadali, floater for 2. Short, rebound, nice one. Eman, pass to Dolivan for 3. Yes sir, 3-point shot for screen. Even go to Alfaro na lang basahan. Alfaro pa rin na malapas Soberano. Shot clock 10 to shoot. Soberano tumira ng press. Wala yan mga defensive rebound for Soberano. Soberano umatake, ball fake drop pass to Collins. Collins umatake, double team ng bola. Nice steal. Another line that pass, nice steal pass. Okay, he's in the left for Colombia. Marquez, ball fake. Marquez umatake, pass to Gamboa for 2. Wala yan, rebound for Marquez. Shot clock 14. Marquez for the half ng bola. Marquez na bitawa na lang ng bola. Nice save for Dolivan. Another line pass to Caspi. Caspi na bisa na lang. Easy basket for Caspi. Nice pass. Okay, Marquez. Easy basket for Marquez. Defense and on the ball. Nice fight. Okay, pass number 1. Another one straight away. Yes. Easy basket. Okay. Okay, Arior. Okay, pass to Colombia. Colombia by the half ng bola, ball fake. Okay, nagbabago ng bola. Nakasunod save. Okay, may pass pass to 13. Nice one to number 1. Villar, ball fake. For 2, pulang jump. Yes, sir. Okay, pasok lang. 3. Yes, sir. 3-point shot for Colombia. Okay, one more pa nahawak ng bola. One more. Grab pass to Collins. Okay, pasok lang for Collins. Easy basket. Nice pass coming from Mohamed. On the dribble. Shot clock then to shoot. Run short. Another good drop. Rebound. Agawan ng mga rebound for Alfaro. Okay, drop pass. Panginiba to Amar. Easy basket. Eman. Okay naman pa nahawak ng bola. Shot clock then to shoot. Okay, another steal for Amar. One more out of your give and go. Easy basket. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 14. Nice defense around the ball. Shot clock 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on the ball. Seconds to play. 54 seconds. Pangaliban all the way. He got past the over for long. Wala yan. Rebound. Okay, rebound for Deligon. Remaining time 45 seconds. Deligon for the ball. Double team. Okay, pass to Colombia. Ball fake. Colombia give and go. Deligon for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Move. Okay, shot clock 14. He got past the Caspi for 3. Yes, sir. 3-point shot coming from Caspi. One more set for the play. One more coming out of the ball. Success of play. Pass to Sanjo. Sanjo against Sessi. Nice defense. Pangaliban. Give and go to Collins. Okay, number 13 on the rebound. Grab pass Collins. Shot clock and to shoot. Okay, Collins by nahawak ng bola. Pass number 13. Okay, back to Collins. Okay, pass again. Guarded by Sancho Sessi. Kick out pass to Caspi for 3. Yes, sir. 3-point shot for Caspi. Okay, 2 for 2 for Marquez. Pass to Gamboa. Gamboa and give and go to Sabandal. Yes, sir. Nice pass coming from Marquez to Sabandal. Sessi. Kick out pass. Belanchon ball fake step back for three. Yes, sir. 3-point shot for Belanchon. Okay, Sese, umatake. Sese all the way. Pass to Soriano. Yes, sir. Pasok yan. Easy basket. Sese pa rin may hawak ng bola. Pass to Soriano. Soriano tumira ng tres. Masyadong malakas. Rebound for Sanjo. Pass to Wamar. Okay, Wamar set for the play. Wamar pa rin umatake all the way. Wamar. Clean block. Okay, Sanjo. Pass to number 7. Number 7, umatake, ball fake, floater for 2. Pasok yan, easy basket. Pass to Collins, ball fake. Pass to number 7. Shot clock, 10 to shoot. Floater for 2, pasok yan. By one more. Caspi, nice screen. Floater for 2. Yes sir, pasok yan. Shot clock, 10 to shoot. Nice ball fake, Tolomia. Okay, pass to Caspi for one palm. Yes, sir. 3-point shot. 4 seconds remaining time. Okay, pass to Tolomia. Tolomia on the dribble. Tolomia pa may hawak ng bola. Shot clock, 10 to shoot. Tolomia on the dribble. Tolomia umaatake. Wala yan, rebound for Collins. Pass to Wamar. Wamar yan tumatakbo. Wamar pa may hawak ng bola. Give and go. Kuha ng bola. Kuha ng bola. Nice intercept. Okay, nice save for Sese. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining time. Okay, Caspi pa may hawak ng bola. Pass to Belanchon. Shot clock 14. Belanchon pa may hawak ng bola. 10 to shoot. Belanchon umaatake.